3:47 a.m. Again. Mind replaying every mistake from the last 7 years. Scrolling shorts for hours. I'm done. Skill issue, but this ends tonight. Today, Caveman shows you 5 unbreakable rules. Follow them and you'll fall asleep in 10 minutes and wake up like a beast, not a zombie. Lock in. Rule 1. Strict schedule. Same bedtime, same wake-up time. Even weekends. First thing, face the sun. Your internal clock needs morning light to know day is here. Miss it and your rhythms stay broken. Do this 5-7 days straight. Magic starts. Rule 2. Get cold. Core temperature must drop 1 degree Celsius to fall asleep. Open the window, light blanket, arms and legs out. Hot shower 1 hour before bed. Body cools fast after. Hot room equals no sleep, period. Rule 3. Kill scrolling before bed. Blue light plus dopamine spikes kill melatonin. Gradual detox. Shorts, long videos, movies, podcasts, audiobooks only. Set app lock after 11 p.m. Friend sets the password. Saves lives. Rule 4. Total darkness. 1 hour before sleep. No bright lights, no screens. Ideal routine. Dim red light or single candle. Herbal tea. Tidy space. Journal. Hot shower. Audiobook. Lights out. Asleep in 5-15 minutes. Rule 5. Caffeine cut off at 2 p.m. max. It stays in your system 5-8 hours or longer. Even if you fall asleep fine after coffee, sleep quality is trash. Cut it after lunch. Huge boost. 5 rules. Strict schedule plus morning sun. Stay cold. No scrolling. Darkness and wind down. No caffeine after lunch. Stick to it dry weeks. You'll wake up like you cheated life. Try it. Caveman doesn't lie. If you want to track habits, get the app. Lock in, brother. See you on the other side of perfect sleep.